Managing Director jangka Company Star Cement Prem KR Bhajan ka, Executive Director jangka Star Cement Company Pankaj Kejriwal, haringkat kajinya don lang Moderator ke KJP Senat Sepngi, Reverend CL Lalu, Reverend MK Lingdo, Reverend K Lalu, Reverend PRL Gadew, Father Petros Banyak, Ubade Uparesh Priest jangka Lumshnong, lam kirkhot jangka Star Christian Fellowship, kumjuru kiba syakhot sengobha, ula Plie ka Iingmane Kristan hapo Star Cement Company Lumshnong. Reverend CL Lalu habasam ya kaktian ublay, ula pensyong nong rem na kaktian ublay na kitab Genesis lenong arpo pra dekot bakat nyaw, bat na kitab baar ki Chronicle dekot bakat san bat kat nriyo. Kihe jangka Company Star Cement bakentup Managing Director Prem KR Bhajan ka, lembat Executive Director Pankaj Kejriwal, kila penpau ka jing sngok men, ba kilala ban pen urlong ya kane ka jing shna, ya ka Iingmane Star Cement. Kila ongru ba ya ki brio jangka jela Meghalaya, kamtam ki Lumshnong jangka Shnong Lumshnong, kila sngau kum ki bahaying hasem. Ula ongru ba kane ka Iingmane, kadai ka bala angnut la slem baha, ban shna, bat menta lala ban pen urlong.
Please everyone clap the hands. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Try melong ba crow, melong ba crow, men sim chong nga, do ya try melong ba crow, melong ba crow. Let us give a big applause.
As we took 21 years in this journey so far, it has been a wonderful journey, and we all feel like the people of Meghalaya and the people of Lumshnong in particular, they all are like our family members. We have been with each other in the worst of the times and in the best of the times. We hope that we continue our association for the benefit of all. Of course, we took 20 years, but as they say, der aaye durust aaye. So we took a long time. But in between also, a lot of activities were done. We were happy to install the statue also at the entrance. And I was so lucky that I could also attend the Advanced Christian Christmas party last month. And absolutely, it was such a delightful experience. The entire setup, the band, the pastor who had come, his speech was also so nice, and the best part what I liked about him, that he was speaking Khasi and immediately translating it into Hindi, much more faster than Google. So it was a really good experience, and all our fellowship members, they really organized it very well. Similarly, today's function also has been very well organized, and it's such a beautiful chapel. I have studied in a convent school, but this is really very beautiful.